Yo Rollies, kamusta? Welcome back sa ating Tagalog channel. So may pinadala kasi sa ating PR gift set si Realme para sa kanilang launch ng Realme 14 Series 5G. So maraming salamat po Realme, and gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang unboxing nito. So tara, let's get into it. Okay, so meron tayong malaking box dito na may konting hint pagdating sa design ng Realme 14. By the way, yung variant na meron ako dito is yung silver. Maganda yung design, mamaya makikita nyo. Sa ilalim ng takip, meron nakalagay na performance beyond limits. Tapos sa loob, we have a bunch of items. Meron tayong dalawang Realme novelty items. Maya pakita ko sa inyo. Then we have the TechLife Headphones G1. Si TechLife, by the way, is a sub-brand ni Realme that focuses on smart home devices and digital lifestyle products. And apparently, meron din silang gaming peripherals. And syempre, nandito na nga yung bagong Realme 14 5G. So, ito na yung isa sa dalawang Realme item. Bale, pen holder siya. Napaka-cute. Tapos, yung isa naman is a keychain. Bibigay ko to sa anak ko na si Gio. Siguradong matutuwa yun kasi love niya si Realme. Meron siya nung malaki na binigay dati ni Realme. I think nung Realme Fan Fest nila. Who's this?
William.
This one. Who's that?
William.
Show the camera. Show the camera. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Say thank you to Realme.
Thank you.
So buksan lang natin ng mabilis itong TechLife Headphones G1 para magkaroon kayo ng idea. So around the box makikita niyo yung mga key specifications niya. This is a wireless gaming headset by the way, which is nice. Upon opening the box, ang una ko agad napansin ay yung kanyang weight. Medyo magaan siya, which is good for comfort. As for the package content, meron tayong user manual, a charging cable, and a 3.5mm to USB-C cable. So pwede rin siguro itong gawing wired mode. So yeah, magaan lang siya, nasa 250 grams lang. Flexible naman pero I think kailangan maging maingat dito. Ito pala yung logo ni TechLife and adjustable din yung headband niya. Yung earbuds niya substantial lang padding and malalim din, so okay yon. On the side, we have an LED indicator, volume wheel, multifunction button, and yung USB Type-C port. Tapos meron din siyang flexible microphone dito na pwede mong itago on the side. Overall, okay naman ang quality, magaan and made mostly out of plastic. Di ko nga lang kayo mabibigyan ng full review ngayon, lalo na sa sounds kasi unboxing video lang ito. Pero at least, now may idea na kayo ano itsura and features niya. Ngayon, unbox naman natin yung Realme 14 5G. Let me know in the comments below pala sino sa inyo ang planong mag-order nito or mag-pre-order nitong bagong phone ni Realme. Walang nagbago sa packaging ni Realme, still with the iconic yellow box with the key specifications at the back. Then inside the box, meron tayong accessory box na naglalaman ng dalawang paperwork, a SIM ejector pin, and a nice frosted jelly case. Very nice addition to para sa akin. Then of course, we have the USB-C charging cable and the 45 watts power brick. Sa unang tingin pa lang guys, kitang-kita na this is targeted more towards the younger generation as with most Realme phones naman. Napaka-futuristic ng design with the silver variant. Bagay na bagay sa mga aspiring mobile gamers and of course, sa mga casual gamers din naman, kagaya ko. Okay din yung design ng camera bump niya. Saka ko na lang sasabihin yung specs nito on our full review. Focus lang muna tayo sa design. So it features flat sides with chamfered edges and curved corners and silver din yung paligid niya. On the left side, we have the volume rocker and the power button na may accent na orange. Ang cute and napakaganda ng design. Sa taas, we have the secondary microphone and then sa baba, we have the primary speaker kasi dalawa ang speaker nito, yung isa nasa earpiece. Then we have the USB port and the SIM card tray. Pagdating naman sa key specifications, meron itong Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor with 6,000 mAh battery na sinusuportahan ng up to 45 watts charging speed. And meron itong 120Hz AMOLED display, perfect for gaming, and 50 megapixel AI camera with iOS. So unfortunately, yun lang muna ang pwede kong i-share sa inyo kasi ilalunch pa lang ito ni Realme sa April 29. Yung full review natin, as usual, i-release natin yon sa main channel natin, so make sure to subscribe doon. Lagay ko yung link sa baba. By the way, pwede rin pala kayong makatanggap nitong PR kit na kagaya ng sa akin, pero limited lang ang quantity para sa mga mag-pre-order ng Realme 14 o Realme 14T. This is worth 3,999 Philippine pesos and may discount din pala kayong 1,000 Philippine pesos pag nag-pre-order kayo and ma-claim nyo yan sa April 29 on select Realme concept stores nationwide. So yun lang po. Again, for the full review, please subscribe sa ating main channel. Thank you to Realme for sending this in and thank you din sa inyo for watching. Have a great day guys and see you on the full review.